Have you ever wondered how the intricate dance between chemiosmosis and oxidative phosphorylation fuels life as we know it? Dive into the world of cell biology, where the energy of life is created in a process that rivals the most complex of ballets. This is a story of chemiosmosis and oxidative phosphorylation, two processes that are different yet intertwined, much like two strands of a DNA helix. Chemiosmosis is the movement of ions across a selectively permeable membrane, down their electrochemical gradient. More specifically, it relates to the generation of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is what fuels our cells and, by extension, us. This happens in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, where a proton gradient is created by the electron transport chain. Picture this. Electrons are passed along a chain of proteins, losing energy at each step. This energy is used to pump protons or hydrogen ions across the inner mitochondrial membrane, from the mitochondrial matrix to the intermembrane space. The result? A high concentration of protons in the intermembrane space and a low concentration in the matrix. This difference in concentration creates a force, a gradient like water behind a dam. The stage is set. Enter oxidative phosphorylation, the second act of this cellular ballet. ATP synthase, an enzyme, acts like a turbine in a dam. The protons flow back down their gradient, from the intermembrane space to the matrix through ATP synthase. This flow of protons drives the synthesis of ATP from adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, and inorganic phosphate. This is oxidative phosphorylation, the coupling of the oxidation of nutrients and the phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP. So, what's the connection between chemiosmosis and oxidative phosphorylation? They are two halves of the same process. Chemiosmosis creates the proton gradient, the driving force behind ATP synthase. Oxidative phosphorylation uses this force to create ATP, the energy currency of the cell. To summarize this journey, we've explored the intimate relationship between chemiosmosis and oxidative phosphorylation. Chemiosmosis creates a proton gradient across the inner mitochondrial membrane, using the energy from electron transport. This gradient is then used in oxidative phosphorylation to drive the synthesis of ATP, the molecule that powers the biological processes that keep us alive and kicking. So, the next time you're out for a run, or simply breathing, remember the complex ballet happening inside your cells, where chemiosmosis and oxidative phosphorylation dance together to create the energy of life.